And now, good folk, we put on our yellow hat. So what is yellow? What is the element that really, when you think of yellow, you think of? Sunshine? Absolutely. So yellow is about sunshine, the good things, the benefits, the value, all the things that has merit in it, you'll pull and you'll think of when you think of the yellow hat. You know what? This is the thinking that gets people to the casino, because what do they think? Oh, wow, today's my day. I'm going to get a jackpot. It's positive. What benefits am I going to get if I go there? If I put in 100 Rand, I'm going to win something from it. That's just a bad example. But yellow hat thinking is about benefits in a particular scenario. So let's look at in detail what a yellow hat thinking is. In a yellow hat, we ask questions like, what are the benefits of this idea or plan? How could we make this better? What are the positive outcomes we could achieve? What opportunities does this create? Why or how might this be successful? What do we know that will make this beneficial? What are the positive aspects we haven't considered yet? How can we make this idea even more positive than it is? So if you think about this, right, we just did the black hat. This seems to be the flip side of the coin to the black hat thinking, because in the yellow hat, we're looking at positive things. How can this be made better? Is there better things from what's in front of us? Are there better things that could happen if we take this step? So the yellow hat is actually counter to the black hat thinking. So look at it so far, what we've done. We've looked at the white hat, gives us facts, figures, clear, precise, all right? Then we looked at the red hat. How do I feel about this, okay? Am I happy about it? Is it sad? Will people's feelings be hurt? And then black hat, what won't work? Why? What are the risks here? What am I not seeing that could possibly go wrong? And here's the sunshine, all the great things that could happen. So you're looking at the different perspectives. We get into the 6, we're moving towards 6. So it's starting to see how we start looking at things from different perspectives. So let's look at an example in yellow hat thinking. So let's look at an example. Your school wants to have additional coding classes on a Saturday, right? So let's apply yellow hat thinking to this. So yellow hat benefits, positive aspects. The first one, benefit number 1, it's the future skills. Coding skills are becoming so important in many careers. This class will give you and all your friends valuable skills on the job market. It could even be something to earn extra money on a weekend. Benefit 2, problem solving. Coding teaches logical thinking and problem solving skills that are useful for everyday life, not just for technology. Benefit 3, creativity and innovation. Coding allows us to create our own apps, websites, programs. It's a chance to be creative and innovative. Again, a chance even as you're a student to earn extra money. Benefit 4, improved technology understanding. Understanding coding will help us better understand the technology that surrounds us every day. The skills we learn there on technology can help us at home put the TV right. When DSTV or any one of the TV goes off, you can help fix. It can bring new opportunities. Coding skills can open up opportunities for you to act as an intern, get a holiday job, competition. You know what? Even social media marketing is an opportunity as a student. Benefit number 6, it has increased earning potential. As we said in number 5, people with coding skills are high demand, and you know what? They earn good salaries because they can do so much. And you can create a game and put it on the App Store. So those are all the benefits of getting that extra class on a Saturday at your school. So here's an example for you to work on your own, and it's in your workbook. So I'm going to let you work on this. Your neighborhood or your street where you live wants to do a neighborhood cleanup. Can you do a yellow hat thinking on that? And once you're done, switch off now. Once you're done, come back in and we'll do scenarios on the multiple choice questions.
Each grade is filled with subjects spanning an entire year's curriculum, neatly segmented into terms. Within each term, you'll find ebooks, workbooks, past exam papers, and engaging quizzes. The cloud icon is your tool for file downloads, and the checkbox is there to help you visually track your term-by-term progress.
All right, so let's take those MCQs. We've been trying to keep our multiple choice questions similar so that you'll be able to see the answer when you look at it from a white hat, from a red hat, a black hat, and now a yellow hat. So let's take that example about the energy efficient appliance that your family wants to buy. All right, your family is considering buying a new energy efficient appliance. Which question reflects the yellow hat? Is it A, how much more expensive is the energy efficient model compared to a regular one? B, the appliance will save us money on electricity bills in the long run. Energy efficient is good for the environment. And D, I feel good about making energy conscious choices. Which do you think? I'm inclined to think it's B, because it clearly states out the financial benefits of us saving money. C is a positive aspect that would benefit directly to the family. D is feelings based. A is the white black hat cost concern. So our answer is B. Let's look at the exercise that we did previously on extending the lunch breaks by 15 minutes. Which statement is yellow hat thinking? A, will a longer lunch break cut into class time? How will it affect our learning? Or B, longer breaks can improve student well-being and reduce stress? Or C, a longer lunch break would give us more time to relax and socialize? And D, I'm happy about the idea of a longer lunch break. So which scenario is it? Option B highlights the benefits of improved well-being and reduced stress. So that's our winner there. Option C mentions relaxation and socializing. Option D is feelings, and option A is the black hat. So let's get you back into your workbook to complete your 20 scenario multiple choice questions, and we'll see you in the next hat, which is the green hat.
How to register? Tap the iWiz icon. On the login screen, click Sign Up. Complete all fields and click Sign Up. Enter your email and request an OTP. Enter the OTP sent to your email and click Submit OTP. You are successfully registered. Use your email and password to begin.